It's your boy 26 King Wavy. I'm about to show you guys how to tie a 26 King Wavy do-rag. First, you want to place this below your eyes, the mid portion of your nose. Flip it up. I lay mine over my eyebrows, but you don't have to do this. Take it behind the ear. Keep this side wide. Behind the ear. And you want to make sure the logo is showing. Spread it across your forehead. Ensure you cover up the white. Then you want to pull the tail down in the back. Make it secure and tight. Just go around, spread the do-rag, the tails, so that no white is showing. There we go. And that's how you tie a 26 King Wavy do-rag.